Ready to talk about insights you found in SAP Analytics Cloud? You can collaborate with other users by starting a discussion or posting comments to help build consensus and contribute to decisions. Discussions are grouped chronologically into threads. You can refer back to archived entries for details from previous conversations. You can start a new discussion by inviting specific users or teams, who will then receive a notification that invites them to participate in the conversation. If you need to distinguish a discussion from other threads, you can change the label from the default, which is the name of the participants. Beyond capturing your contributions to the discussion, you can add local files for reference, link to the current story to provide context for the discussion, or create a task to drive specific actions related to the discussion. Responses from other participants appear in real time. Once the discussion has reached a conclusion, you can delete or archive the thread. Within the same collaboration panel, you can also get a centralized view of all the widget and page comments related to the active story. You can add multiple threads of comments of up to 3,000 characters directly to specific widgets to call attention to key details, including @mentions of other users. A range of formatting options is available to customize your comments. Once you've posted the comment, you can delete it or edit it, and you and other users can like and respond to it within the thread. You can also add comments to the page as a whole. As you add comments to your story, the threads are visible both in the collaboration panel and on the canvas where they were added. If you want to hide the icons, you can disable comments mode. In tables, you can add comments to specific data cells, provided the table isn't based on a live data connection, the value isn't a calculation, and the version is public. Data cell comments are visible only to other users who have access to the same data context, meaning the dimensions visible in the table, any filters, and role-level security. A wedge shows in the corner to indicate that a comment exists, and the same options are available for liking, deleting, and editing. However, data point comments don't display in the collaboration panel. Keep in mind that the collaboration panel can be opened from any screen, but comments are available only when you're working in a story. For more information on how to use discussions and comments to collaborate in SAP Analytics Cloud, check out the help topic links in the description and try it for yourself today.